Hi, I'm Ahmet Akman from Ankara, Turkey, a glaucoma specialist. Now it's time to talk about OCT progression in glaucoma using CIRRUS OCT macula GPA. What are the advantages of macular progression analysis? GCL IPL measurements have excellent long-term inter-visit reproducibility. In advanced glaucoma, GCL plus IPL thickness remains above the measurement floor range longer. This is an important advantage as the measurement floor limits the role of RNFL-based progression in advanced glaucoma, and the variability of visual field starts to increase with worsening glaucoma severity. For macular progression, we need high resolution and fast scan capabilities of SD-OCT, which made accurate segmentation of the individual retinal layers possible. CIRRUS HD uses GCL plus IPL for macular measurements. Accurate image registration is very important for progression analysis. CIRRUS OCT GPA uses both event and trend analysis. For the event analysis, the question is what happened to the point A in the past, and the trend analysis, in addition to the past, try to reach conclusions about what will happen to the patient in the future. For macular GPA, CIRRUS guided progression analysis requires 2 baseline scans, and 6 follow-up subsequent scans can be used for comparisons. Both event and trend analysis are performed. The user can choose between baseline scans for specific date. You have to have good quality scans. The image registration is very important to align the images and to see what's changing in the same specific spot. It is necessary for any medical imaging system that compares or integrates data acquired from different sessions or modalities over time. Also, there are 2 kinds of loss indicators in GPA. One is orange one for possible loss, and the second one is the red one for the likely loss. CIRRUS OCT ganglion cell GPA uses 2 different strategies. The first one is GCL IPL thickness map progression, which is an event analysis. You see the serial GCL IPL thickness maps and change maps. If the change is greater than the test-retest variability, the superpixels are flagged with orange or red. Second one is the GCL IPL thickness change, which is the trend analysis part of the GPA. GCL IPL thickness values of the sectors are plotted as a function of time for the average, inferior, and superior quadrants. The slope of the regression line is also presented as the rate of change per year. And finally, you check the GCL IPL summary box. In the second page, you also see the real values, which is used to calculate the change analysis in the first page of the GPA. How we read the CIRRUS OCT macula GPA report? At first, we check the scan quality. The thickness maps must be artifact-free. We have to use good quality scans. And the next thing we check is the event analysis part. We check the GCL IPL summary overview. We check the raw data for change. It's easy to see areas of GCL IPL loss in the raw data. Then we check the event analysis results to see what happened to these areas. After that, we check the trend analysis part of the GPA report. We check the average, inferior, and superior GCL IPL change plots. We check the statistical significance and look for the rate of change in these reports. I want to show you a sample case for macular GPA progression. This patient has no progression with visual field GPA. When you look to the peripapillary GPA for 7 years, we see few changes. But when we look to the macular change, the GPA report shows us much more significant change at the GCL IPL level. Thank you again.